Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Chrome extensions for video editors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall a Chrome extension, start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Look towards the top right corner of the window. Locate the three vertical dots, known as the menu icon. Click on the menu icon to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, hover over the option labeled More Tools. In the submenu that appears, click on Extensions. Scroll through the list to find the extension you wish to uninstall. Once located, you will see a card for that extension. On the card, look for the Remove button. Click on the Remove button. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the extension. Click on the Remove button again to confirm your choice. The extension will then be uninstalled from your browser. To double-check, you can scroll through the list once more. If it is no longer visible, the extension has been successfully uninstalled. You can close the extensions page to return to your browsing session. And that's it. Uninstalling Chrome extensions is a quick and easy process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.